Hi everyone, today we're going to be finding out if this seatosummit self-inflating mattress is the ultimate for your campervan. Let's go! Thinking about this self-inflating mattress then, we need to get it out, we need to give it a try. I've sped this shot up because you don't need to see me struggling to get it out of its stuff sack. There we go, a small stuff sack. And there is one self-inflating campervan mattress. You can probably tell already it's got a cutout here, just on that corner. That's specifically shaped for the back of the California, so we'll give that a try in the van in a little while. I'm just going to move the camera, we'll see how we get on, we'll let it self-inflate and see how it pumps up. I just wanted to show you these valves on this, they're really clever. So you've got these bits here, so if you push this first bit in that way, you can see it says inflate, it's got a one-way valve on. So if you push that in, it still allows air to go into the mattress like that. And obviously this is just a plug, so you can plug that into the top like that, so that's completely sealed. But if you turn it round, just unplug this one. So turn that round like that, and then plug it in. Like that, don't plug this one in obviously. Then what that allows you to do then is actually push air out of the mattress when you're closing it, and then it doesn't go back in because that's a rubber one-way valve in there. And then when it's deflated, you can take this out just the same way, turn it back round, seal it up, and then it stays de-inflated, so you can then put it back in the stuff sack. Brilliant. You've got two of those on this, both at this end, so one, and then there's the other on the corner. I thought it was useful just to show you a sense of scale of the size of this self-inflating mattress when it's up and inflated. So that's it leaning up against the van. We'll just pop it in the back so you can see. So usually I wouldn't put this in like this, but at least you can move it around. It's quite light. And as you can see, what a snug fit that is. And okay, we've got a topper in here anyway, but that's pushed up hard against the back of the van with the tailgate shut. Perfect length sitting on here. I can already see in there at the back that its little cutout is exactly where it needs to be. I'll show you that in a second. But wow, that is some mattress, that. I don't think you'd need this, to be honest, underneath it. Feels perfectly okay. You can see how thick it is there in the shot. It's a really, really good depth, good comfort. Self-inflating mattress, for anyone who doesn't know, means it's got foam inside it, and then obviously you take the valves out and the foam expands. It's memory foam inside, it expands out, fills it with air, and obviously you've got that comfort of the foam as well. So super comfy. Right, let's show you the back. So here's what I was talking about at the back. You can see here it's got this perfect cutout just here, which sits beautifully in the cutout of the California at the back. This is a 6.1 California. It works just as well in a 6. The cutout's just the same. And you can see here the factory, that's the factory topper, that comes with it. But look at how thin that factory topper is compared to this. definitely a comfortable option. Right, should we see if this fits in the roof? That's got to be the next thing. I'm not looking forward to this next bit. I've got to try and wrestle that up there. I'm going to try it with it inflated. I might need to give up and I might need to try it deflated. So let's see how we get on. I'm not convinced this is going to work. I'm still going to give it a go though. Yes! 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 So here you go, proof it fits, and it's up here. So as you can see, it's a really good length. So that is it fully touching the back of the canvas. And if I show you at the front here, absolutely spot on fit. Look down the side, small amount there, haven't moved it at all. Little bit more of a gap on that side, you could probably centre it a little bit more, but you can see how much of a good fit it is for both downstairs and upstairs. Really is a cracking fit. You can see underneath here, obviously that little bit of extra comfort on the upstairs bed on the 6.1 with these Froley springs makes it even better. And now we've got to see if we can deflate this so I can shut the roof. It's important to know that you can't shut the roof with this fully inflated like this. So we do have to try and deflate it now, so wish me luck. Okay, so you're probably wondering how we deflate this so that the roof goes down without crawling all around on it, going upside down, trying to deflate it and everything, which I have tried. So what we do is we use one of these. Now this is a little tiny rechargeable pump, but it's also a deflator. It comes with a load of adapters. If you switch it on, that's the inflate, that's the deflate. This little rubber adapter you can put on the end here, just like that. And then with this valve, we'll flip this over to deflate. And then we can put this over the top and deflate it. I've left the other valve shut because what I don't want to do is end up deflating this and then putting more air in it the other side. So all I've done is I've just pushed that piece of rubber over the top. I'll turn this on. And now we'll just wait a few minutes just for this to go down. Using the pump, it took about 5 minutes for the mattress to go down. It's much noisier on this video than it is in real life. So there we go. Just turn that back over quickly, pop that in, and as you can see, nice and thin. So we just lay that out nice and squarely. Now we can get the roof down. So definitely worth it, just in terms of being able to put it down without having to roll around on it. I will put a link to this. I think this came from Amazon. It wasn't very much. I've only charged it once and I've used it 4 or 5 times. You can obviously pump it up with this if you want to, but we just find that taking the valves out and letting it self-inflate is enough. So yeah, link in the description below, and we'll just pop the roof down. As you can see, loads of space above that. You can see I can move it nice and easily. So a quick tip for you here, we're just putting on a single duvet cover. This acts as a bottom sheet. much cheaper than any fitted sheets you might get of this kind of size. I thought I'd just share with you some specifications from the website here. So you can see it's 201 centimeters long, 115 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters tall. R value of 6.5. For anyone who's interested, the California upstairs bed is 200 by 120 and the downstairs one is 195 by 114, so you can see how it's such a good fit. Obviously that's for the California ocean and the coast with the kitchen. So, what do I think to the seatosummit self-inflating mattress? Perfect size, cut beautifully at the back just to fit in the California, but it'll fit in any camper van. It's so comfortable. We've slept on it for a couple of nights now. It really is supremely comfortable. That 10 centimeter depth, that bit of foam in it, the air as well. The fact that you can change how hard or soft it is really good too. I've been on it and I've managed to blow it up a little bit more because it felt a bit soft. Likewise, we over pumped it one day. We've let some out when we've been lying on it, Sarah and me, and it feels just perfect when you go to sleep. I used to get problems with dead arms and stuff like that lying on the actual California mattress. And to be honest, none of that with this mattress. It's just perfect. The beauty of being able to roll it up, put it away in its bag and store it in the boot if we want to. You can use it downstairs, you can use it upstairs. It's really universal, just fits all of the bills. We've tried zone sleeps. We had a zone sleep ultra in our T6 upstairs, which was good, but these weren't out at that point. We've tried the normal California mattress. We've tried that bed extension downstairs. This beats them all. This is definitely the best sleeping experience we've had in our California. So if you've got a camper, you want the ultimate mattress, our conclusion is the seatosummit camper mattress is the one. Don't delay, go and buy one. Definitely recommended. Thanks for watching our review of the seatosummit campervan mattress. We hope you found this helpful in making your choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon, grabbing some California time.